Most students ask, what will enhance my ability to start a career in the media arts, design, and photography? And while there's no one magic bullet solution, traits like hard work, a strong portfolio, and the ability to collaborate with others would be high on that list. But probably the most important tool any digital creator can acquire is to have a deep working knowledge of the software and hardware used to create, and also why they make what they make. For most digital artists, that tool is Adobe Photoshop, and in Multimedia 200 digital imaging, the aim is to take your proficiency to the next level, while also exploring ways to cultivate your voice as an artist. I'm Curtis Stage, professor of multimedia and photography at Los Angeles Mission College. When you take my class, our goal is to take the next step in image compositing, photography, and retouching, and also digital painting. You will learn Photoshop's most powerful tools such as curves, blend modes, masks, precise selections, color adjustments, and lighting effects. In Multimedia 200, you will also utilize digital tablets to create amazing drawings which can be incorporated into graphic design, visual effects, and concept art for gaming, TV, and films. Multimedia 200 is part of 2 of our 3 AA degrees and certificates here at Los Angeles Mission College. You will create your work in our state-of-the-art labs and our amazing arts, media, and performance facility. We feel confident that this is where your career in the media arts starts. Hope to see you in Multimedia 200 soon. And for more information, visit our website at lamission.edu/multimedia.